In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix a very common problem with streaming on OBS. How to fix like PC streaming could not access PC specified channel error. Now, this is a very common problem, by the way. Now, just go to OBS and then click on File in the top left, then click on Settings. Okay, so after that, what you need to do, you want to click on Stream. And here you want to choose the service. You want to go with custom. Okay, so if you're using Twitch or whatever you are streaming on, just go with custom. After that, you want to enter here the server. Let me check here. Enter here this server, as you can see. Okay, after you enter the server here, you want to then enter here the stream key. Okay, just enter the stream key, and that's it. So that you want to click on apply. So check if this works. If it doesn't work, let me show you another way which is going to work for you. Now, another way is to check if like Windows firewall is interfering or blocking the important services of OBS Studio. You should just search here for like firewall. Okay, click on Windows Defender firewall. After that, you want to click on allow app or feature through Windows Defender. After that, you want to click on change settings. After that, you want to click on allow another app. Now click on browse, find OBS here. Okay, try to find here OBS. I'm going to do that right now. Just search here for OBS. You can also search for it here, OBS. In the download here, you want to search for OBS. Now, as you can see, this is OBS. Just click on it, as you can see, and then click on add. As you can see, we have added now OBS, as you can see. Now, if you cannot add it, just search for it here and then make sure you enable it. Okay, I'm going to just enable it here. It says public. You want to just check this. Okay, just check it and then click on OK. So just in case this doesn't block, that is not blocking your OBS. So let's go with another way if this doesn't work. So another way is you want to click on File in the top right, to click on Settings. Now you want to click on Advanced and you want to search here for Network. That's what I'm going to do right now. As you can see, Network. And here bind to IP, it will be set by default automatically. What you need to do is you want to change it to your own IP. Okay, you want to change it to your own IP. Just at the very bottom, you'll be able to find your IP there. Change it to your own IP. Okay, this will fix your problem, by the way. Here in the network, click on bind to IP. It will be set by default. Click on default and then select the last number or your own ID. Okay, address ID, and then click on apply and then click on OK. Now, if this doesn't work, what you need to do is you want to update your own OBS Studio. Now, just click on help and then click on check for updates. After that, you will wait for updates to come. Now, just update it to the latest version and then close your own OBS Studio, close it and then open it again. Now, hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.